Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reika Yanique for those who are new, and in today's video we're doing something a little bit different. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that have been helping me through this thing we call adulting. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you five, I think I'll do five things that I never knew I needed, and they've basically been helping me through life, through quarantine, through life, all that jazz. And I've been wanting to make this video for some time now. I wrote a blog post on this subject matter. Yes, you heard correctly, your girl has a blog, and my blog is basically an extension of my YouTube / Instagram persona. So for those of you who want to get just a little bit more of me, I'll definitely check out my blog. I'll leave a link to it down below. But like I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I really love and enjoy as an adult. So if you want to see more of that, definitely stick around. And before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a like and to hit the subscribe button if you're new. It really helps your girl out a lot, and of course, I would definitely appreciate it. So once you've done all of that, we can go ahead and jump right on into the video. So the first thing on my list is my iRobot / Roomba. I think Roomba is like a commercial brand, but basically any type of cleaning robot, anything that falls in that spectrum, that's on my list. I mean guys, this thing has just been a lifesaver for me, especially during quarantine. Since I've bought the house, I have definitely been cleaning way more than I have ever in like my entire life. I don't know if it's because like the color scheme in this house is very light. Everything is like white, grays, so it just really shows up dirt and dust in the worst way. So I am constantly cleaning, and it got to a point where I was like, I just cannot do this. I need to get something to help me out. So definitely went ahead and got iRobot. I'm not sure the exact brand of this one, but I will leave a link to it down below. I got it on Amazon, and it was, I think, a little bit under $300, but it was definitely worth every single penny. Cleaning is like a breeze for me right now because I can just like leave it to run in the day and it just grabs everything. So it just makes cleaning so much more easier. Right now I have carpet, wood, and ceramic tile, and it does a pretty good job on all of those surfaces. I wish I would make one that can wipe up spills, because then we would be on like a next level with this thing. But for now it does a good job with like dust and things like that, so I really enjoy it, and I will leave a link to it down below for anyone that's interested. Definitely a must have cleaning robot. Yep, that's number one on my list. So the next item on my list is a neck, let me pull up the actual name for it. I don't want to say a neck brace. This thing right here. Yep, this little contraption, it doesn't look like much, but guys, this thing is game changing. And basically what this thing is, according to Amazon, it's a inflatable cervical, I think that's cervical traction collar. So you put this around your neck, and you you squeeze onto this to inflate it. And what this does is just provides the best relief around the neck for all my peeps that work like a desk job. You're sitting around the desk for what, 8, 9, 10 hours a day staring at the screen. You get a lot of tension and pain in your neck. I do anyway. I don't know if anybody there can relate. Let me know in the comments. I don't feel like I have the best of posture when I'm at the desk, so I definitely suffer with neck pain and tension after a long day. So I did get one of these. Actually, this was a gift because I was complaining so much about my neck, so I got this as a gift earlier this year, and it has just changed the game for me. So basically what you do, you put it around your neck. I'm gonna do a live demo for you. So you put it around your neck. It has, what is this Velcro type of thing, and you just attach it to either side, nice and snug. You put it around your neck and you just inflate that. But you basically use this to inflate this to the desired, what is it, fullness that you like. And while you're inflating it, you can kind of feel like it's stretching, just stretching and decompressing the tension. It's like the best relief. And I like to wear this for 30 minutes at a time. 30 minutes a day is ideal, and it just provides like the best relief for me, especially now that I'm working from home. I feel like I spend a lot more time around the computer than if I were to be like working in the office. Anybody that's working like a desk job and you're struggling with like neck pain or tension in your neck, this is definitely absolutely life changing, game changing, and I definitely recommend. I got this on Amazon, so of course I'll leave a link to it for anybody that's interested. But yes, you definitely need one of these in your life. Thank me later. So the next thing on my list of things you need to survive adulting is an Insta Pot. Absolutely need to get yourself an Insta Pot. I was definitely late to the Insta Pot game, but now that I'm here, like, you definitely cannot tell me anything. Because guys, if you're a working girl, you already know after a long day nobody has any type of time to be slaving over a stove to do like any extravagant meal. So the Insta Pot definitely helps to make cooking a breeze. Like the name suggests, you can make things in a matter of minutes. So I really like this. It does make my life a little bit easier, not even a little bit, a whole lot easier. I put my rice in there and in like 10 minutes I have like the best rice ever. Like, I couldn't tell when I spoil a pot of rice. It's just like that good. And even like my Jamaican food, oxtail, goat, I put that in there and it comes out like just as good. So I really like that. You can make your own yogurt from scratch, which we've done, and it's pretty good as well. So if you definitely want to cut down on the amount of time you spend in the kitchen, definitely invest in an Insta Pot. You save on ordering out or eating out when you have something like this, because you can still, you know, cook a substantial meal with this in a short turnaround time. I definitely recommend Insta Pot to make life a whole lot easier, and I'll leave a link to the one that I currently have below. I think I got it from Amazon. I think most of the things I am going to be mentioning in this video is from Amazon, but yes, definitely check that out. You need an Insta Pot in your life, and yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I'm moving right along the next thing, and this is for my makeup gals. It is my, I don't even know what you would really call this, but it's basically, I call it a makeup mesh protector thingamajig. I don't even know what I was searching, but I found this on Amazon. No, if you wear makeup, like if you wear makeup, you already know what the struggle is like. You get your face done and you want to put, you know, like your shirt on or your top on, and then you end up like smudging your makeup on your shirt or your dress. That's like the biggest frustration for me. So I found this mesh guard thing on Amazon, and basically what you do before you put on your shirt or your top, once you have your face done, you put this over your face, so kind of like this. And I know I'm gonna look crazy, but guys, this thing is like so good. So you put it on, you zip it down, and you can take your shirt on or off, and believe you me when I tell you, you will never smudge. You will never smudge another shirt, dress, whatever. You'll never smudge anything else once you have this on. I don't know the science behind it, but trust me, it works 100%. And I didn't pay more than like $5 for this. Try on haul videos are a breeze now for me. I don't have to be like stressing when I'm trying to film those. Yeah, it's that good. So if you're interested, I have a link for this down below, and hopefully they're not sold out. I don't remember what I searched, but I came across this, and so far I'm super happy with it, and I definitely recommend 100%. Are we at number 5? Wow, I feel like that was like a super quick video. But last but not least, on my list of things that you definitely need to survive adulting, quarantine life, last but not least on my list is a humidifier. So it adds moisture to the air, and that basically helps to prevent any type of dryness that you might experience with like your nose, skin, throat, things like that. So it's a very handy tool. It's a very handy tool, and for me, as I have gotten older, I am definitely more more sensitive to the elements, rashes from time to time, also battle with congestion as well. And ever since I've gotten a humidifier in the bedroom, my congestion doesn't bother me nearly as much as how it used to before having one. So I definitely recommend a humidifier. Currently I have one that I keep in my bedroom, but I am looking to get others for different parts of the house, because I feel like this house is just like extra dusty for some reason. So I feel like those little extra particles and the dryness that's in the air really affects me. And like I said, the older you get, your body just doesn't bounce back as easy. So it's good to have those things to kind of help you with the elements. And yeah, I love my humidifier. What more can I say? And on that note, I think I've covered all 5. I feel like this was like a super short video, but I hit the major ones I wanted to hit. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments as well. If it's your first time here and you made it to the end, hit that subscribe button. I would definitely, I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye.